Next question. A train covered a distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 6 km per hour faster, it would have taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 6 km per hour, it would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the length of the journey. Once again, a train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 6 km per hour faster, it would have taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 6 km per hour, it would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the length of the journey. Question is, find the length of the journey. What is meant by length of the journey? Length of the journey means the distance travelled by the train. Okay. So here what happened? In first case, the speed of the train increases. In the first case, speed of the train increases. Naturally, time will decrease. In second case, the speed of the train decreases. Naturally, the time will increase. But in both cases, the distance travelled by the train same. Okay, that is the question. Find the distance travelled by the train or the length of the journey. So here we have to consider two variables x and y. What are the two variables? So let us take the uniform speed as x km per hour and time required for the journey be t hours, or take it as y hours. Okay, so these are the two variables x and y. X means uniform speed and y means time required. So when speed is given as x and time is y, what is the distance travelled? Distance is equal to speed into time, that is xy. So this is our original speed or length of the journey. Xy is our length of the journey. Now we are taking the first case. In first case, what happened? The train increases its speed 6 km per hour. So what is the new speed now? New speed is x plus 6. So when speed increases, time decreases. What is the new time required? New time is y minus 4. When 6 km per hour increases, time decreases 4 hours. So y minus 4. So this is the speed and this is the time. So what is the distance then? X plus 6 into y minus 4 is the distance travelled, but it is equal to the original distance. Original distance is same, whatever be the cases. Okay, so this is our first case. But this we can simplify. X into y, xy, x into minus 4x plus 6y minus 24 is equal to xy. This xy and this xy we can cancel. Now we are getting minus 4x plus 6y is equal to 24. Here in all the terms 1, 2 is common. So minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. This is our first equation. Okay. Now what is the second case you see? The second condition is, but the train slower by 6 km per hour, it would have taken 6 hours more. What is the question? Speed decreases 6 hours. So what is the new speed here? X minus 6. When speed decreases, time increases. So what is the new time? New time is equal to y plus 6. 6 hours increases. So speed is there, time is there, we can find the distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. So x minus 6 into y plus 6. But this product is equal to the original distance. Now if we open xy plus 6x minus 6y minus 36 is equal to xy. Xy and xy cancel. We are getting 6x minus 6y is equal to 36. Here in all the terms 6 is common, isn't it? So we can cut. So we will get x minus y is equal to 6. This is our second equation. Now we are going to solve both. For that, here x coefficient is minus 2. Here x coefficient is 1. So what to do? Multiply second equation with the 2. So second equation multiply with the 2, we will get 2x minus 2y is equal to 12. And first equation is minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Here x coefficient equal but the sign opposite, so we can add both. This will cancel. Minus 2y plus 3y is equal to y. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Okay, y is equal to 24. That y you have to substitute in the second equation. So second equation become x minus 24 is equal to 6, or x is equal to 6 plus 24, 30. So y is equal to 24, x is equal to 30. What is meant by x? Speed. And y? Time. But what is the question? Question is, what is the length of the journey? So you have to find length of journey. Length of journey means distance. It is what? xy. So 30 into 24. 24 3s 72. So 72 kilometer is the length of the journey. Okay. So this is important. What we have to consider as x and y, that is important. In this particular question, speed and time we are considering as x and y. So we are getting the distance or length of the journey as xy, then forming two equation and simplifying.